Yo, 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 yo. Hey, what's good, chat? Yo, what's happening? You streaming up in it, bitch. Yo, hey, what's good, chat? Yo, what's happening? You streaming up in it, bitch. Yo, it's working so good. What? What's good, chat? Yo, what's happening? You streaming up in it, bitch. Yo, it's working so good. What? What's good, chat? Yo, what's happening? You streaming up in it, bitch. It's like we have just endless to go. So I'm gonna stop watching myself streaming because that's dumb as fuck. So let's step in, Oaks. So I was watching DH.
Clip that bad. There's no way you don't need to clip that.
But we're done with that. We're done with that, chat. We're done watching DH. So now, how do I make all of this go? I wanna see myself, like only myself. Okay, so let's work on today's to-do list. How do I open a chat overlay? Is my chat disabled? Open widget. Let's see. My mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Let's see. My mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Okay. So we don't have chat. Let's work on that. So my mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Okay. So we don't have chat. Let's work on my own stream to see why. My mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Okay. So we don't have chat. Let's work on my own stream to see why. My mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Okay. So we don't have chat. Let's work on my own stream to see why. My mic is actually working really good. I never expected this. Okay. Okay. So we don't have chat. It's crazy, bro. It's like an echo room in a bitch. And they say open widget. Let's see what's going on. Stream health. Yeah, you see, thing is, we don't really care too much about stream health. So we're gonna stop recording. I mean, streaming. We just wanted to see what was going on, how the streaming business was working. Like, but now we good. Feel me? We get it. How the streaming business was working. Like, but now we good. Feel me? We get it. Now, but I think I'm gonna stay on though. So I've got a bit of work to do. Starting with, how does this look? How does this look? I probably sound so spread. Oh my days. Hey, okay. So let's work out what we're going to be doing today. So I have Pinecity. Pinecity. We have to work on that. I have to finish Pinecity. Hopefully, it's going to take me 2 hours because I have a whole lot of shit to work on. I have a whole website to make for Pinecity, and then okay. Okay, I have a whole website to make for Pinecity, and then oh yeah, I was putting it down here. No, first we have to get rid of this because I wasn't studying for 28 minutes. No, 27 minutes and 47 seconds. So we have Pinecity to work on for 2 hours. We have our stats tutorial. We have calculator. In JavaScript. It's gonna take an hour hopefully. And then what else do we have to do? We have Pinecity, we have stats, we have a calculator to work on. Let's say let's try popping in a bit of calculus. Feel me. Okay. A bit of calculus. Hey, my Dukes is calling me. Let's see what's going on. Yo, what's good, mother?
Hi, my love.
How are you, mothers?
I am good, thanks, and how are you, my dear?
Good, 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 good.
What are you up to?
I want to start studying.
How is the weather?
The weather is not too bad. The weather is not too bad for me. The weather is not too bad. The weather is it's cold, man. Like it's, I know you have it worse. Okay, kita ada lada baru jaga jauhin.
And one of them should be for that.
Kita perlu kau negara lada.
And one of them should be those two jackets that we spoke about.
Okay, kita teruskan.
Okay. Can I problem when I need your help and I can go on Netflix?
Okay.
You go one astro and I wanted to download it if I want to calculate because I'm not a now.
Okay.
But on one device you can download a lot of movies.
Okay then.
I went to one device.
Then you download on that device. You can download on multiple devices. Like a planner
I know, and I wasn't even aware of that we can multiple devices. And my question is, how do I call this other device? It doesn't give me an option to cancel or delete those other movies.
Digital Netflix. I get also better details on.
Did you?
Digital Netflix.
Did you tell Netflix?
Yeah, phone in about the downloads.
I can what's this? Can you look in detail? I don't.
Kita normal John.
Okay. All right, I'll do that. Thank you so much, Manahab.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye bye.
I love you.
Okay, bye bye. Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, okay, chat. And chat, I'm talking to myself. That's so crazy. I don't know. I just want to tap in for me. See how this whole live streaming thing is gonna be. It's fine. I don't know. I just want to tap in. Mic is so ass though. My mic is hella ass. So first, we're gonna work on Pinecity. I made my cup of joe. Let's put in the hot water. Very nice. I don't understand how I don't have chat though. That's something that's giving me a bit of a headache. Because like, what if I actually wanted to stream like for reals, you know? So let's go on YouTube Studio and mess around. Wait, first let me make sure. I have two people watching. One is probably a bot, probably gonna advertise to me in a bit. Yes, cool. So let me say yo on my phone. Send. Okay, now let's go to chat. They're saying no live chat is not available right now. Which makes no sense. Let's refresh the page. Chat is not available right now. But my light is way too harsh. Let's try covering it up with my face. My face is academic. Nah, my light is way too harsh. Let's try covering it up with my face. Yeah, you see, that's not gonna work. Okay, we have chat. Okay. Okay, so guys, one of the first things I wanted to do, not one of the first things. Oh no, slap! I also have an assignment to do. Let's delete that. And I don't think it's gonna take me an hour because okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna prioritize coding because I actually have to lock in, I have to get into my bag, and then I'm gonna open Visual Studio Code, close this, open this. Okay, this is my CSS code, and let's see this the streams the description. Feeling like man of the year. Yeah, this is really taxing on the for like on my PC.
And the winner is how to keep Black Boy Mask. How to keep real. Walking in, body still. Feeling like man of the year. Man of the year. Feeling like man of the year. Man of the year. Oh, how to keep it player. Keep playing with your hands in the air. Big stick on me, how playing field.
Yeah, the audio sounds asleep. Hold on.
Show me what you do on the dance floor. I like the way you move on the dance floor. 100 floors up, popping champagne bottles. She stare at me, she wanna see an Instagram model. She so damn bad, I'ma take it as a couple. I'm rich, baby, everything paid for. She wanna have.
I don't understand. Why does it not just show me the song instead of showing me the album? I never understood that.
Oh yeah, has me. Thinking about my next move. Should I keep the peace? Should I keep the tool? Everybody tuning, try to see what I'm about to do. That is not the move, and I got a point to prove. I got all the truth in this baby box too. I be with my goons, they won't hesitate to shoot. Logic had to change for a young boy like you, but the chance that it can change is what you wait to.
That's so crazy. Oh, so I'm studying for something like this is kind of like almost like a qualification, but we're learning through TikTok, dog. That's insane work. Maybe it's just on my end. I just want to fix up my CSS because
Now we're
my
going to
CSS,
make the animals page.
my CSS
Before we
is
actually start making
oh
the animals
come on,
page,
my CSS is nothing like they have. Like let me show you guys. Let's open my webpage and live server. Live server. Excuse me, I don't know all the shortcuts. Excuse me, I'm not a program god like you guys. So this is a review of my website. So this is what I have going on. Just a basic template. Like if you go goodness me, on GitHub and you search up the Pinecity website that they made for this thing, and you see now they are messing it up. GitHub. Somebody posted on GitHub. I think it's one of the administrators for the Pinecity Zoo. That's my bad. I didn't touch it right. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Pinecity Zoo. Where's the website? Let me just instead of saying GitHub, you see Pinecity Zoo. It's gonna pop up. Here it is. You see somebody who knows. Okay, let's compare their website to mine. Oh, mine is right here. Cool. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 no. Come back. Goodness me. Why are they both leaving at the same time? Come back. And then you come back as well. Why are they going to the same page? Okay, fine. We'll put mine to the right. Now, the key differences that you see here is the size of the logo. I never realized that. Wait, hold on. Let's see how they did it. It's like, okay, so they have padding 15, border is 0, margins are also 0. No, margins are auto. Okay, still the code. So it says logo, position fixed is margin. I never understood repeat X. What does repeat X mean for the logo? Or is it for the background image? Oh, it's for the background. Okay, it's background repeat. Okay, so we're gonna go under height. My height, I think my height was too much. Yeah, my height is a bit too much. Let's do this. Where's the live? Mine is the one with the fat logo. Okay. It's a live server, so I don't have to refresh. All I have to do is save on my. All I have to do is save on this side. So let's say like 69 pixels. See, now it looks like it has some sort of dysmorphia thing. Oh yeah, because goodness me, I'm such a terrible developer. Look at this. Look at this. No, hold on. Look at this. Hold on. There you go. Let's open the clipboard. Let's look at the picture. We have to enhance and look deep into this picture, right? Look at this. No, I want to write. Oh, I do want to write actually. I was joking. So look at this. So the first thing, okay, now we're just gonna highlight the changes I have to make to the website. So the logo is way too big. I did realize that because like I made it big because we were gonna put the website to mobile. So check this. This is my local server, right? Let's say your phone is like this. You see how it stays big and beautiful? But then making it smaller would be okay, so we're gonna have to make this small. I can't highlight properly. So we're gonna have to make this small. And then this, I don't like this air gap right here. There's a gap between my top nav and my picture, my logo. I don't fuck with. So let's check out our CSS. So let's try changing it without copying their code. Let's turn off element on the side. Inspect, I mean. Okay, we're gonna make the size of this. So the code. One of the things I noticed in the code is that the margin was I removed my height, so now it's gonna spaz. It's not spazzing. Mashallah. Okay, and then padding overall now. 65 pixels. Brother. Dude, my code is just ruined. I think I should just start afresh. With the CSS part, of course. But man, I put so much work into it. But let's do it the way they want us to do it. Let's check chat. Maybe somebody's in here, you know. Maybe somebody's in it. Nobody's in it. Dude, my code is just ruined. I think I should just start afresh. With the CSS part, of course. But man, I put so much work into it. But let's do it the way they want us to do it. Let's check chat. Maybe somebody's in it. Nobody's in it. This coffee is so buzz. This coffee is buzz so nice. Okay, I think we're gonna start afresh. Just the CSS. We're gonna look at their code. I'm gonna try to understand it. So now they're already animals page. So main content. Okay, let's just go to the TikTok. Don't have much of a choice now, do we? Because I thought I have way too much to catch up on. I can't keep pushing it back.
Let's take a look at what the finished product.
Look at this! The logo size is only changed on the website that they published, not on the actual one that we did. And that's why my size is messed up. It's not messed up, but like, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's do this and let's do this properly. Let's change the padding from the inside. can we make the height smaller? Height 80, a good 80 pixels, right? You see, then it looks like it's disabled. I have nothing against the disabled people, but otherwise, I just know. Oh, maybe width is the thing they changed. Let's say it's a good 75%. Oh, brother. Okay, so we want it to be 100% so that it covers the whole, like, the whole thing, right? Cool. We're gonna come back to the animals page. Now we're just working on the index page. No, not the index page. We're working on. You don't have to do that. We have a lot of things to do. Look at this. See, what I wanted to go for was around the corners. Let me show you. So it's not. No, it is. It's the info box. So we're gonna say round corners, radius, border radius. Let's say 25 pixels, 30 pixels, because it's a big image anyways. Ooh, that's fire. Okay, then we're gonna also have to do the same thing with the image because you can't be square inside of a. You feel me? Yeah, it just doesn't work. Like we have to take. My Samsung is there. Okay, let's border radius. Our border radius is okay. I just got a crazy idea. So I have a tablet, and since I'm not doing anything school related, I don't have to open my study guide and my timer elsewhere. So I can just use my tablet to read chat. You know, just in case somebody comes into chat. You might just call me a genius. A genius. You can't call me a genius. I'm covering up most of my code. Don't care. So this is what. I can't see chat. Here's chat. There's nobody watching. I'm covering up most of my code except for me. So it's gonna be one viewer now. So this is what. Freaking echo box. It's like hell. You know how when they say in hell is gonna be really the worst moment of your life until the end of eternity. Which that statement makes no flipping sense. What do you mean till the end of eternity? Eternity doesn't end. Smart ass. Okay, so I have my book here. This is my holy grail. This is the book where during the December holidays, before I came to uni, I was learning CSS and HTML because I really wanted to get into web design. But now FNB rekindled my optimism, my hope, my passion for web design. Because at first I wanted to learn, and then dog, I was going all in. I was for sure gonna be the worst person you can know that does computer science, because I was gonna be using Linux. Because before I switched to Windows, I used Ubuntu, and before I used Ubuntu, I used Windows, and before I used Windows, I used Zorin OS. The only reason I switched from Zorin OS is because my installer just died. So my installer is not dying now. So now let's just write code. Okay, so we're gonna let's just border radius. No, border radius of the thing. No, we're changing the border radius of the image. Okay, so the image is smaller, so let's just go 10 pixels. I feel like that's too much though. Ooh, it's not. It's actually perfect. But then the padding is way too much. Let's say padding, and then we're gonna say 0 pixels. Padding is inside of the border. Let's change the margin as well. Let's see, maybe that changes something. It doesn't. Maybe it's because I'm using display flex. I don't understand why we have this gap right here. This gap right here. I'm so motivated. I'm so cool, bro. I wish I had someone like me to look up to when I was growing up. Okay, so here are the edits that we want to make to the picture. right? To the code. Let's take this and switch. Because my mouse doesn't work for some reason. No, literally, my mouse literally doesn't work. Where is it? Check this. My scroll wheel doesn't work when I plug it into my PC. The only way I can scroll is if I click this, then I. Also, when I installed GT San Andreas so that I could play, but then I can't play because these buttons don't work in game. So it's kind of dumb now. Anyways, let's look at the picture and look at what we want to change. So let's change the color because my font is red. I don't know, my font is red. Such a terrible choice. I'm so disappointed in myself. So we want this text, right? The koala text. This is hey H2. No, we don't want to move it. Please don't. Nice. Okay, this koala text is fine. We don't understand where this gap is coming from. We want this gap to go away so that this text, the summary, can move on this side. Also, we want this image to fill this space. I understand, or maybe it's because of my radius. My radius. Oh, my gorilla wasn't showing. I mean, my elephant. Oh man, resize. Cool. Okay, so first we are going to. I think I'm going to delete all the flipping CSS because it's just messing it up. Okay, so first I installed display flex. I didn't use anything display flex wise though. Even here, content. Let's delete this. Save. See, now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, we remove the display flex. Let's come back here. Let's move this one because it's actually serves zero purpose. So it turns out the display flex was actually doing something. I still don't understand display flex, but I have it. It's functional, that's all that matters. Okay, look at the elephant. See this text, the padding is too much. Let's go to let's analyze. With padding of 30 pixels, I believe that's why the elephant image is so far away. Let's make it 5 and see what happens. What is infobox? Is infobox not everything? Oh, it's for the container. Infobox is the container. 15 pixels. See, but then I have to make it big enough though. 30 pixels is perfect. Because I'm gonna insert things. Okay, now we're gonna have to go to giraffe. Because I wrote the thing in lower letters for some reason. It just pissing me off. Something I just couldn't stand. Okay. I wrote it in capital letters. I wrote it in capital letters. I don't understand. Oh, wrong page. It's in the elephant, the animals page. The change that I want to make is the animals page. Okay, elephant. James Park. El Khafe. Fifraf. Sounds Arabic. Arab. Mashallah, Fifraf. I don't know what Muslim people say. My bad. Is it offensive? Cry about it. I'm kidding. Don't cry about it. I'm sorry. That was not cool. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. So now we want to. Okay. Let's look at our elephant. Why did the logo come down? Baby, come down. Oh, because I removed the height. Oh, because of the margin. Height. 100 pixels. Very nice. But it looks so stretched out, bro. Look at this. Full screen dumbass. Look at that. I don't like how stretched out it looks. So let's just watch their TikToks. We're gonna have to start watching the whole playlist. Okay. So let's just watch. We're gonna have to start watching the whole playlist. Okay. So let's just watch. Okay. So we're gonna go Damn, bro, I'm so embarrassed. Week 6 is 23 posts. I'm still here. Goodness me. Okay, we're gonna watch the whole thing step by step. Matter of fact, I'm not deleting all my code, but I am. No, that's how you help yourself by letting the ego die. Or I can just make a new file folder. Yeah, let's make a new folder. So this is why we don't like Windows. I'm gonna go to the actual Pinecity and we're gonna copy the images. Then we're gonna do everything step by step so that we know, we can learn as it goes on. Because I was trying to like do everything myself, and that failed miserably. So we're gonna make an index.html.
Before we can start building our app, we're going to need to set up the environment for developing it, just like we did before. Now, as you can see, I've already created the folder called Pinecity Zoo, and inside it, I've placed a subfolder called Images. Now, and I've also opened this up in my
Wow, guys, I also opened a subfolder called images. I'm so smart.
editor, which is brackets. Now, we're going to create two files in here. The first one, we're going to call index.html. Obviously,
I don't understand. Why do you stop? I didn't say stop. I didn't say stop. Nobody said stop. Do you have performance anxiety?
in all your apps and websites, you start off with the index file. And
Stop.
the second file we're going to create is style.css. Right click, click on new file, style.css.
Okay, guys, so it turns out we have to
Hit
make a
enter.
CSS file. Okay, guys, let me show you guys how to. I'm going to be the father figure you never had in your life. So, right now, I'm going to show you guys how to make the HTML page. So, we're going to open document type into the HTML. I'm not going to use this shortcut because I'm not lazy. Then we're going to open HTML, auto closing. Then we're going to have our head. And then in our head, we're going to have our title. It's going to be Pine City. Oops. I'm in zoo. Oh my goodness. Where did that come from? Okay, fine. We have our head now. Now, there's this other thing I saw. No, I did last year for my pad where I changed the image. You see this image, this logo? You can edit. That's so crazy, right? I know. Mind blown. But anyways, we're done with that. We're done with the head. We're gonna open our body tag. Okay, now what do we want? What's gonna be the first thing in our body tag? Oh yeah, no, first I forgot. I have to link rel is equals to styles sheet. And then href is equals to styles the CSS. Then we're gonna close it. I think that's how you link a CSS style thing.
And there we have it. we have our index.html and our style.css, and we are ready to start coding.
Forgive me, lesson 2. Me 3. Can't style the home page. I'm still on lesson 2. Okay, that's on the search bar. Good. Home page.
We're now going to start by creating our home page. Now, before we actually start coding the home page, let's take a look at it once more. Looking at the home page, we've got the header on the top, which says Pinecity Zoo. Below that, we've got a row of buttons, the animals, map, and places buttons.
Okay, guys, I know this is gonna sound crazy. I know I've done it before and I failed. Let's do it again, shall we? So first, let's check if our thing is connected. So we'll say H1. It's gonna be Pride Month because happy Pride Month. Oh no, it's gonna be real men are liberal. Lol. And then I'm gonna insert XT. When I say these are my styles, then it's gonna be H1 color pink. Close, save, open in live server. Is it pink? Heck yeah. So our pages are connected now. Pink? Heck yeah. So our pages are connected. Okay, we're done with that. Let's try making this. So, but this time we're gonna do it properly. We're gonna do it very properly. We're gonna have all we're just gonna be proper developers. We're just gonna do real things. So first we're gonna say logo. But let's say this is the web pages logo. Then we're gonna say img src href. Is that how you do it? I don't know. Oh, src is equals to. Then it's gonna be images slash mat logo .png. We're gonna close. I'm gonna say alt and then let's go back to our live server. Maybe like, oh, you're the worst developer I've ever seen. I know that you know. No! Too good looking. Where's the live server? Please tell me it still exists somewhere. Oh no, I closed it. My bad. I closed it. Now let's open it again. Alt L Control O. Okay, this is good. We're not gonna go. Now we are starting. So we're gonna take our logo. We're gonna say ID. ID is equals to logo. I'm gonna come here and we say dot logo. Okay, the width we want it to be 100%. The height want it to be 35 pixels. The padding is going to be 50 pixels. What? Okay. I don't understand. I don't know. Let me just write the code.
I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. Red bottom Sue, they really bleeding. Red bottom Sue, I got them bleeding. I make a dream true, you don't believe me. Try make a dream true, talk to the preacher. Heard you got no guap, you just a leecher. You don't got no sweat, learn from the teacher. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in the new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm blowing it all on the weekend. I'm putting in hours, ain't sleeping. Been up on that jack, now I'm geeking. Don't sink when you get to the deep end. Dolce on my feet, now they peeping. GG on my shirt, I look decent. This a five-star lifestyle, we don't pretend. I told her I love her, I didn't even mean it. I swerve at the curb and I didn't even see it. Shout out my dog, man, I do this for you. You ain't you and me now, but I hope that you see it. Jump out the spot, I'ma leave with two hoes. I ain't even do nothing, they fuck with Lil Birdie. Hop in the back of the back, baby girl, all these pillows around you gon' make you sedated. She got her nails done, now she a diva. She for the one time, she not a keeper. Plug on the hotline or on the beeper. White hoes treat me like I'm Justin Bieber. Told her come with a friend, let's have a threesome. No space for a broke hoe in a two-seater. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. Red bottom Sue, they really bleeding. Red bottom Sue, I got them bleeding. I make a dream true, you don't believe me. Try make a dream true, talk to the preacher. Heard you got no guap, you just a leecher. You don't got no sweat, learn from the teacher. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling. Said I'm in a new coupe, don't got a ceiling.
So we're gonna look at the